Are you looking for a job that pays you well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some jobs for you. Welcome to Rhythm. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching our special segment Career Canvas, your ultimate source for job vacancies and career opportunities. Somerville Schools, administered by Lad Carey Baptist Mission in India, invites applicants for various teaching and administrative positions in Delhi and Noida. Openings include principal, PGTs in biology, English and maths, and roles such as primary coordinator and preschool teacher, all requiring relevant qualifications and experience. Certain positions are reserved for Christian candidates. Applicants must hold degrees from UGC recognized institutions and demonstrate proficiency in English. Interested candidates should submit applications with a passport size photograph and certificates by October 10, 2024 during office hours. Salaries are in accordance with the 7th Pay Commission. So send your CV at somervillebasundharajobs@gmail.com. The Institute of Vocational Studies, affiliated with GGS IPU and recognized by NCTE, is seeking assistant professors for B.Ed programs in Hindi, English, Maths, Science and Fine Arts. Candidates must hold a master's degree with at least 55% marks and an M.Ed along with UGC NET qualifications in education. Additionally, the Com IT Career Academy invites applications for associate and assistant professors in BCA and BBA programs adhering to UGC standards. Interested applicants should apply online within 7 days of this announcement. For inquiries, contact www.avadh.org.in. OPG World School is inviting applications for several positions including PGT English, TGT English, admin officers and governors. Interested candidates should submit their resumes along with a passport size photograph to recruitmentinopg@gmail.com by September 30, 2024. Please ensure that the subject line of the email clearly specifies the position being applied for. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. For more information, visit www.opgworldschool.com. APJ School, located in Noida, is seeking a pre-primary in charge with a master's degree and a teaching qualification (NTT ECCE) along with over 10 years of teaching experience, including 5 years in leadership role. Additional openings include TGT for computer science, PRT for mother teacher, lab assistant for computer, and assistant teacher positions. Applicants must meet the qualifications set by CBSE. Interested candidates can apply online within 7 days at apj.edu/careers. For inquiries, contact 0120-251-5141 or 43 or schools.ms.nvd@apj.edu. KIIT World School, located in Pitampura, New Delhi, is conducting walk-in interviews on September 29, 2024 from 10 am to 2 pm. Open positions include PGTs for psychology, computer science, maths and informatic practices, as well as TGTs for Hindi, English, maths, science, social science and French. Additional roles are available for PRTs, art and craft, music, dance and physical education teachers. Interested candidates may also send their resumes to careersyears2024@gmail.com. For inquiries, contact 7290063406. Greenway Modern Senior Secondary School in Dilshad Garden urgently requires PGTs in computer science and chemistry, as well as a female special educator with a B.Ed in special education autism. Walk-in interviews will be held on Monday to Friday from 9 am to 2 pm. Candidates should have at least 5 years of experience in an English medium school along with proficiency in spoken English and IT skills. Interested individuals should send their updated CV and a cover letter to career@greenwayschool.org. Salary is negotiable for deserving candidates. Honda car dealerships in Delhi NCR are expanding and inviting applications for various sales positions. Openings include sales consultant, team leaders, corporate sales executives, and exclusive dealer trainers. Candidates for sales consultants should be energetic graduates with 2 to 5 years of sales experience, preferably in the automobile industry, and must know how to drive. Team leaders need 4 to 5 years of relevant experience and a driving license. Corporate sales executives require 2 to 3 years of experience and must have fluent in English. Interested applicants can email their resumes experience certificates, and a passport size photograph to hondasalesnorth@gmail.com or call 966 388 3264 92051 33274. So that's all for today's video, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in the loop with more notification, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you have enjoyed today's content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.